Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to take a screenshot on Samsung. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So if you want to take a screenshot on Samsung mobile, the first thing that you need to do is to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So like this. Now press at the same time. So this is how you can take a screenshot. As you can see, this is the screenshot, guys. So if we go into gallery, you will find it here. So volume down button and the power button at the same time, like this. And then you can adjust your screenshot. Okay, so this is how you can take a screenshot on Samsung. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.